Hello, everyone, and happy Wednesday, or as I like to call it, hump day. We are halfway through the week, and the rest of it's going to be downhill. I'm so happy to be back today. I'm sorry that I've been gone. So let's get started. Today is a red day, which means we're going to be doing our private sessions today. So please check your Google Calendar for your times. And also, this is this week's lesson plan. So on Monday, maybe you noticed that I've put all of our videos on my YouTube channel. They're private, but they are on my YouTube channel. So if you ever miss one and you want to go back, or if you ever want your students to rewatch, or if you ever want to rewatch, you can click here and all my videos are in one place. We finished up chapter 3 the last 2 days. There's been some comprehension questions. And today we're going to start chapter 4. And on chapter 4, we're talking about what happened to Keisha's paycheck. There is a tax video to watch, and I would like for you to review your vocabulary words. If you want some extra practice, you could practice typing your vocabulary words or writing your vocabulary words. Optional, I have IXL Daily Math in your classroom. And I didn't put this on yesterday, but if you would like, you could record yourself reading one of your level books on Seesaw. So today, guys, there's no unique assignment. There is an optional Seesaw assignment. Get on Go Noodle and dance if you would like, and if you would like to, check out L3 Skills and play some games. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.